your main hobby and budget, then we're continuing on with our playthrough of Clash of Clans. Now, we're upgrading. In the last episode, we did some baby dragon attacks. So this is active right now, so I can kind of see what I need to upgrade next. 4.6 million gold. That's a lot of gold. Actually, let's put in my treasury. Wait, that right? What? Can I upgrade my Dark Elixir storage twice in this Town Hall level? Wow. Seriously? Interesting. What's a quick upgrade? Well, I just want to do a quick attack real quick. Let's just do some quick attacks real quick. I just need a 3-star bow. I don't care. Yeah, I don't care about 3-star if it's bases. I upgrade all these walls. And I thought I see to do the upgrading walls before everything else. Yeah. Oh, just a barbarian can upgrade. One day. It's a long time. Shit, it's not that long, but I still need to upgrade the storage as well. Oh, loot. This is the definition of loot, yes. Yes, it is. to getting a 3-star yet. Oh my god. I thought this was hurt. So what's it? Yeah, it's not bad though. Switch off the clans. And what's happening? Don't need them dragons, wizards, archers, anything so okay, cool. Yeah, this clan is, well, I don't know how they haven't started the capital raid yet, but what else? I'm sure if I just want to attack abandoned bases, then yeah, because all I'm doing is attacking just the outside anyway. Because all I've been doing is attacking abandoned bases, so I think just lightning spelling the air defense is a strat. Unless there's some non-abandoned bases, but let's find out. Shall we play a game? Yeah, like this one. It's literally just gonna attack the outside. I think I'm just gonna attack. That's too much. Yeah, that's way too much. Two more attacks. Oh. Oh, you haven't upgrade your base, bro. Come on, bro. There's a lot of loot in this, I think. Oh, that's easy. I can tell. Okay, looks Nice job, guys. Okay. You know what? What's the next upgrade? Oh my gosh, it's so annoying. Storages, yeah, mines, guns, one trap, bronze bombs, town hall, defense, hidden touch of bomb tower, super, super giant bomb, elixir storage. So I need these two storages, the gold mine, the dark elixir drill, and then everything on the top right there. Okay, so that means I can upgrade the rest of these walls, so I don't really need it. These walls, this wall, this wall. Honestly, kind of feel like this wall. Yeah, we're almost done, guys. They made the lower tunnel so much easier. I need to upgrade stuff, and again, this is the free-to-play account, guys, so I haven't spent any real money on this one. Even on the main account, it's really just buying the gold pass, sometimes buying the gold pass, sometimes. So, we are in a good position, and we should upgrade the rest of our heroes now. Barbarian King upgrade next, actually no. Let's hold the Barbarian King upgrade and just upgrade one of the storages for now. We'll continue on to the next episode of Hobby at the Budget, guys, where we kind of figure out what the heck is going on. I'll see you guys soon. Let's see this. Dragon, balloons, lightning spell for war. Confirm. Oh, that makes sense. I didn't do that. No. Dragon, balloons, lightning spell for war. Yeah. Right. That's exactly what I need. Okay, cool. See you guys soon. Bye. Somebody start the raid.